Hello friends, today we shall talk about the famous book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book teaches us the difference between how rich and poor people think about money. So the point number 1 is Rich Dad says make money work for you, don't work for money. Poor dad and middle class people spend their lives working jobs while rich people grow their money through investments. So the point number 2 is financial education is key. Poor dad says save money, rich dad says grow money. This means saving is not enough, you need to learn how to invest. And the point number 3 is understand assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket like rental income or investments. Liability are things that take money out like loans or unnecessary expenses. This book changes how we think about money and teaches us to build wealth smartly. Want to succeed financially? Start thinking like a rich dad. Thank you.